you can do. One more time. 18. Make some noise. Yan, ganyan dapat.
Yeah. Oh, Paolo, may isa.
Norman Park, excited na ba kayo? Yeah! Sige, without further ado, welcome to I Was There! Thanksgiving Family Concert!
Hi, good evening everyone, it's your boy Sam!
What's up, gang? My name is Pablo. What is up?
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Justin. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako si Ken.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Josh. I'm Cartier. SB19.
Are you guys excited tonight? How about you guys? Are you excited?
Yes.
How about Bay Area? Are you excited? I'm sure you're excited kasi napanood nyo yesterday, right? Let's make new memories together tonight, okay?
Yeah, because tonight we're going to celebrate with you. And we're gonna make this one unforgettable for you guys. And syempre marami kami inihandang mga performances na like games and all that. So abangan nyo na mamaya kasi it's gonna be really, really fun.
So before we continue, sino dito yung mga nanood kahapon? Sino yung guys watch this one? But we were really excited to perform. And the games that we performed and played yesterday, sobrang nakakatuwa siya. So, ihanda niyo lahat yung malulupit niyong questions para naman tanggap kayo ng matinding sagot.
Pero I want to know then as well if who here was able to watch our concert simula at wakas? How about wakas at simula? Same people. How about Lollapalooza?
Grabe, no? Speaking of there, alam niyo ba, bakit I Was There ang title ng fan meet natin?
Bakit?
Bakit? Kasi?
Because it's always about, sharing these moments with you guys.
Wow.
Our beloved team.
Showbiz!
Yes. No, it's the truth. If I lie, my nose will be longer. Every show, every song, every performance, and every memory feels like very special. It feels like new. So today we want you to also experience the best.
Yeah.
Tsaka, for me, nakakatuwa lang rin. Alam niyo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Ayun, nakakatuwa lang. Hindi, masaya kami kasi hindi lang sa US namin dadalhin yung I Was There, even sa Japan. So, if you guys have free time, extra money, maybe you can go to Japan to watch our family. If lang naman, hindi naman namin kayo pinipilit, pero kaya naman naman. Kasi syempre, di ba? Masaya rin doon, summer doon, di ba? Summer. Tapos may Summer Sonic pa. Marami kayong mapapanood. Baka may perform kaming kakaiba doon, di ba? Yun lang. Baka lang.
Oo naman, tama stay. Pero bago po kami magpatuloy tonight, alam ko parang may mga questions na inihanda daw para sa amin na sana naman na hindi kami mapahamak, no? Kasi parang hindi maganda yung mga ibang sagutan natin kahapon.
Hindi ko napapahamak. You're missing.
Yeah,
Kung wala kang tinatago.
Yeah.
tama.
Siyempre, huwag na natin makabahin. Gusto na nila malaman kung ano yung mga itatanong sa atin. Ready na ba kayo?
Ready?
You guys ready?
SB19.
Kaya na naman siya.
Kaya naman siya.
You may now take your seats on the door crates behind you.
Thank you.
This time, it's time for a short round table questioning. Oh, we'd like to call Your first question is, kung may hihiramin kayong anything from other members for a day, ano ito at bakit? So I will translate, or Justin, can you translate that?
Oh, sure. Easy. If one of us could borrow anything from one another, what would it be and why?
Grabe ka na.
Answer first? O doon tayo
Important ka na.
Okay, you go first.
Ano to? Isa-isa? Hindi naman.
Yeah, isa-isa.
Isa-isa.
Just borrow one thing from one.
Okay, okay.
Sa akin, anong hiramin mo?
Sa inyo, isa-isa
Sa
talaga.
isa, yeah. One from
I think, parang ang hirap. It's a tough one.
just one.
I think I'm gonna borrow money from you.
Yes.
Yeah, money. Yeah.
Okay.
And Pablo, I think I'm gonna borrow digital instruments from Pablo. And Stel. I think games, because Stel play a lot of games also. And Josh, I think I'm gonna borrow. No way.
Bastos.
Ayun, gusto ko.
Pwede rin wala.
Sipap!
Siguro yung pampalambot ng buhok. Kasi yung mga ano din yung buhok eh.
T-shirt.
Yeah.
Alright.
Damage for damage here. Ako naman,
Ako na.
si Justin. Gusto kong i-borrow ang kanyang cellphone for a day. Titignan ko lahat ng kanyang sikreto. Hindi, just kidding. Yung turtle niya. Turtle.
Turtle? May turtle?
Wala bang turtle?
I have two.
Ha?
I have two.
Di ba? Oh, so I'm gonna borrow one of the turtles. I wanna experience mag-alaga ulit. Kasi meron ako dating turtle.
Gusto mo yung pagong ko?
Ha?
Gusto mo yung pagong ko?
Oo, gusto ko yung pagong mo.
Niniwala ko sa ganun, Wood?
Ano ba yan? Ganun ba yung pagong ba?
Yeah.
Yung ulo, gumagano'n?
Wood?
Oo.
Alright, sige Pablo.
Si Pao, gusto... Kapugian daw. Kapugian! Yes. Si Stel, gusto ko i-borrow sa kanya yung... yung massage chair niya. Yung massage chair niya. Meron siyang massage chair sa bahay.
Thank you po sa nagregalo. Thank you po.
Tapos kay Ken, gusto ko i-borrow siguro yung ano.
Supra!
Ayun, tama, yung Supra. As ibebenta natin. Ibebenta natin, di ba?
Hiram lang ko eh.
Ay, ano? Hindi, syempre pag hinahiram mo, bebenta mo na.
Ako siguro, kay Ken, hiramin ko yung dresser niya for a day. Para lang ma-experience ko
Tama.
yung dresser. Kasi wala akong ganun. Pero yun, parang exciting siya matry yung dresser. Kay Pablo, siguro, manghiram ako ng one book na pinaka-favorite niya para at least magkaroon lang ako ng idea ano yung feeling magbasa.
Sabi nila, face mist daw.
Ha? Guys, sorry, I can buy a new one. I don't need to borrow from him. I can just buy a new one, guys. Kaya nga kami nagtatrabaho para may pambili kami. Ayun, hiram ako sa kanya ng book. Yung pinaka-favorite niya para matry ko lang yung feeling ng binabasa niya.
Teka. Tapos na ba yung binigay kong libro sa'yo?
Oo, yung ano, yung sa ano, yung basta yung ano, yung for company. Oo. Yung nasa table ko. Yes. And then kay Josh, siguro hiramin ko. Ano pwedeng hiramin sa'yo? Hiramin ko na lang siguro si tita, ano? Si tita na lang. Si Steph into my world. Para pag hinanap ko yung mama mo, kasama yung spices niya. Yun na lang. Kay Justin, hiramin ko yung mga paintings niya and yung mga blank canvas niya. Magta-try ako mag-paint, tapos pag sinuli ko sa kanya, tanggapin niya na lang kung ano yung pinaint ko.
Ano pa? Ano pa? Ano pa?
Ano ba?
Sige.
Hindi ba?
From Ken, I'd like to borrow his tattoos. Para cool din si Papa. Ay, gusto ko rin kasi magka-tattoo, pero ayoko permanent. So, hirap lang, sasoli ko lang.
Drawingan ka namin mamaya.
Sige.
Barbie, gusto mo?
Pwede rin.
No regrets.
No regrets. Tapos kay Josh, sabi niya kasi last interview, his best accessory daw is his confidence. So I'm gonna borrow his confidence. From Stel, I will borrow his biceps kasi it's so good.
Kaya mo rin yan eh.
Ba't di mo sa akin? Error. No, cannot be found. Kay Justin naman, siguro yung cats niya, para mas dumami yung cats niya. Para mag-away-away sila sa bahay.
My turn. Okay, kay Pablo, I'll borrow Tita Grace. Because Tita Grace is a good cook.
Oo, bakit?
I want to eat a lot of delicious food.
Ito pinag-aaway pa yung mga nanay.
Ano may sasabihin?
Gusto mo ba anong magsabunutan si Tita Gemma? Para ba?
For Stel, I'll borrow his cats as well. So, playmates with my cats. Yeah. For Josh, I'll borrow his problems. So, he can be free from his problems. I'm such a good friend. You know.
I like that.
Kailangan problema niya yung sarili niya.
Yun lang. For Ken, I'll borrow his most expensive clothing. Ooh.
What's your most expensive clothing?
Cannot be disclosed.
Yung
cellphone.
bag, I think.
Bag.
Amounting to.
What? Alright. That's all. That's what we're about.
Thank you so much, boys. Here is your second question. As a group, anong pipiliin niyo? Magpakilala ng Filipino music across the globe. Pero, sintonado kayo at least sabay-sabay sumigaw. Or, never niyo mapapakilala ang Filipino music, pero super talented kayo.
Super talented! Super talented!
You need to answer as a group.
Kaya nga Mr. Yun eh.
Very hard.
Ako sasagot. Ako pipiliin ko yung mapakilala yung OPM sa buong mundo. Kahit sintonado, tsaka wala sa tone. Pares na pa rin, tsaka hindi sabay-sabay. At least kilala na. Kasi pwede naman mag-improve pa yun.
Tsaka, also, I have learned something from Spider-Man, watching Spider-Man. You know, sabi doon, with great power comes with great responsibility.
Power, higher bill sa Meralco.
Yeah. With great power, there's great responsibility. Yes. But dun sa bagong Spider-Man, that responsibility, you're not gonna do it alone. You need someone. So if we were able to introduce Filipino music across the globe na sintonado, others can prove it, di ba? Like the other groups na better sa inyo, because we need to be together as one. Yes.
Galing.
Yes.
Yes, next
That's the
question.
answer for the group.
Thank you so much.
Copy-paste.
This is a question for everybody. I will do it one by one. Alright? For Stel,
We're still.
kung gagawa kayo ng movie na kayo ang actors, if you will create a movie, what would be the title?
Thank you for that wonderful question. If we're going to make a movie, I believe the title will be Stop, Stop, Stop. and it goes like this. Stop! Stop! Stop!
Thank you, Sel. The movie title is Stop, Stop, Stop.
Yes.
Now, Justin, what is the conflict of the story?
The conflict of the story is that time will always stop whenever you do something good. And it will only move on after 5 minutes.
Thank you, Justin. Josh, here is your question. Sino ang bida at ano ang special characteristic niya?
Special characteristic? Meron ba nun?
Ikaw ba nagawa eh?
Sino daw bida?
Ako yung bida. Kwento ko yun eh. So ako yung bida. Kwento mo yung reference.
Ano special characters?
Blue eyes siya.
Ayun, blue eye siya.
Thank you. And Ken, sino naman ang kontrabida? Who is the villain and what is the special characteristic?
I think Stella will be a great villain for this one. Kasi sa lahat ng mga ano kasi ni Josh, lahat ng mga sinasabi ni Josh, si Stella talaga yung bumabara sa kanya kasi wala talaga masabi si Josh. So I think Stella is a great villain. Tsaka I think magkakaroon si Josh ng character development or like growth kung paano niya i-hone yung kanyang
Tama.
yung kanyang powers or like specialty. So yeah.
Beautiful answer, Ken. And Pablo, what is the ending of Stop, Stop, Stop?
So, the villain pulls up, wreaking havoc. Sino yung villain, sister? Mag-wreak havoc ka.
What? What's Rick?
Magwala ka!
I mean, wreck the city.
Ano ba yan?
Josh.
Pero may thirst trap yung havoc na may thirst trap.
Thirst trap.
May thirst trap. Tapos darating si Josh. Sabay sila magta-thirst trap.
Ano ba yan?
Dali na! Ayan ang ending eh. 5, 6, 7, go! Tingnan mo na. Galingan niyo muna.
Tapos sasali si Pablo, magto-thirst trap din siya.
Papasok ako. Ano masasakin ko? Stop, stop, stop!
What a great story.
Very inspiring.
Na-inspire kami!
Thank you, boys. That was your last question. Thank you for joining What's Up?
Thank you. Now I think we need to stop talking because we're spending so much time. And since we're still playing, it's time for another performance. Are you ready? You want another performance?
Pwede naman.
Here's another performance.